Hi, today I'm going to show you the auto trace feature in Photoshop. Now this has always been in After Effects, which I use quite a lot because it's a really good tool to use. Now it's not normally activated in your pen tool. I'll just show you where mine is and then I'll show you how to do it. So what we do is we have to go to Edit, Preferences, and then go to Technology, and you'll see it in there, and you just tick it and press OK. Now normally you won't see it in your pen tool, so you have to add it from your toolbar, and just scroll down to your pen tool, and on the right hand side you will scroll down until you find the auto trace, and then just drag it into your pen tool box and then press OK, and that's all done, and now you're able to use it. So what I've done is loaded a picture up, this one, and what I'd use the auto trace for is to do a tattoo stencil where I don't want all the colour coming out in the stencil and all I want is the outline. So what I do is click on the auto trace, and then I'll just highlight everything, every outline that I want, and you just keep clicking. You don't have to press Alt Shift or anything, you just keep clicking on every part that you want. Once you've done that, you grab your path tool and drag a box around it and highlight everything. Then what I do is make a new layer. I click off the picture and then I just right click on any part of there and do the stroke in the pencil. Once that's done, I click off it, and there you've got your stencil. Just your outlining, no shading, no colour, no anything. If you want to see it better, you can add another layer and just do your background colour underneath it, and you'll see how it's going to look. And this makes for a far more cleaner stencil to apply to your fake skin or your customer when you're tattooing. Alright guys, thanks.